In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Wise account in Philippines. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to enter, and why each step matters so you can get set up smoothly on your phone. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile. On the first screen, look for the register option and tap it. This is where your new profile begins. The app will ask for your email address. Type it carefully since this is how Wise will contact you about security alerts and account updates. When you submit your email, head over to your inbox and find the verification message from Wise. Open it and tap the confirm button inside. Verifying now helps protect your account and ensures you can recover access later if needed. Return to the app and tap next to continue. You'll now choose the type of account you want. Select personal if you're setting this up for yourself to send, receive, or hold money. Choose business only if you're opening it on behalf of a company or sole proprietorship. Pick the one that fits your situation, then proceed. The app will ask you to select your country or region. Use the search bar, type Philippines, and tap it when it appears. This ensures Wise applies the correct local requirements and currency options for you. After selecting Philippines, tap Continue. On the following screen, tap Next to move on. Now it's time to add a phone number. Make sure the correct country code is shown, then enter a mobile number you can access immediately on this device. Double check every digit before you continue, because Wise will use this number for security checks and important notifications. When you're confident the number is correct, tap Send Code. At this point, Wise will send a verification code via text message to the number you just entered. This step adds another layer of protection to your account. If the message doesn't arrive right away, give it a moment and make sure you have a stable signal. Keep the app open so you're ready for the next screen and follow the prompts you see. That's all there is to it. You opened the Wise app, registered with your email, confirmed it, chose the right account type, set your country to the Philippines, and submitted your phone number to receive a verification code. Take your time with each screen, read the prompts carefully, and you'll be ready to continue setting up your Wise account with confidence.